Okay, so I thought I'd show you how to make a simple Slick2D project without having to go through text-based tutorials and have that waste your time. So this will give you a head start. Won't really show you how to use the actual library. It will just show you how to set it up so you can work with it. So the first thing you need to do is to download the library using this link right here. You'll open up a download, and you just have to save that to somewhere where you will remember where you put it. So I put it, here's a folder I prepared earlier, ha ha ha, that has the Slick file in it, and this is the only thing you need to begin with, but you also need the lightweight Java game library. You can obtain that from their website, LWJGL, home of the lightweight Java game library, and then download on the left, and 283, that's actually a newer version than I have, but should still work probably, we'll see. And then you don't really need the docs or the source. You most likely just need this one here, the LWJGL-2.8.3, and then open that up. I should finish right away here. There we go. I'll just copy that into my collective Java folder here. I put all my libraries in here so I can find them easily. So I'm gonna make a new folder here called Slick2D, and then put the Slick one and the 283 LWJGL folders in there so you can see what you're gonna need. So it's the Slick library here and the LWJGL. So the next thing you're gonna do is open up Netbeans or whatever you're using. This is gonna be a Netbeans tutorial, so I don't know the difference between Netbeans and Eclipse in this case, but they should be fairly significant, so you should look it up. Now we just create a new project here. Java application. Next, it's gonna be called Slick test maybe, and then use dedicated folder for storing libraries. You're gonna want that because otherwise you might be getting errors. There is probably a more efficient way to do this, but as a head start, I'm not gonna go through the various features of Netbeans and just get you started. So check that and leave it as it is, and then finish. You might want to change this though to maybe game. Finish it up. I'm just gonna remove the template code here, like so, and then right click on the libraries folder here and select this one, add jar/folder. Then locate the folder where you put the libraries. In my case it's in my Java folder here, and then Slick2D. First going to select that one. Make sure this says copy to libraries folder, and then open. They'll put it into the lib folder that we specified earlier, like so. And then we do the same thing again. This time we go to the LWJGL-283 and then jar, and then click the first one here, J input, hold control and click the LWJGL and then the util. I think those are the ones you need, these ones, and then click open. Now they're all in libraries here. This is not everything you need, because you need the native libraries, which are in the LWJGL folder, in the native folder here. And if you're going to be using Windows, then that's what you need. I tend to just copy all this, just so it doesn't have to ask for anything. Before you do that though, click the Save All button in Netbeans, just to be sure. And in the project folder, here we go, there. And then lib. Here are the libraries you added before into this list here. These are the same ones. Then you paste it in here, and your natives should be in here. Now you have to tell the system where to find these. You might want to put these into a different folder actually. Make a new folder, natives, like that. And then you go right click on your project, properties, run, and in VM options here you go -d java.library.path equals /natives. So that tells Java to look in the natives folder for any required files for these libraries right here. This should work. I hope it does. As for the code, which is what we need to do now, I have a template that I am using. This one here. And this is basically the code you need to get started. So you can pause the video now and then replicate what I have here before you continue. Then put all that, including the import statement right here, into the game.java class, like that, and then just save it. Save. This should be runnable by now. I'm gonna try it out and see what happens. There we go. It's working. You'll have to refer to the Slick2D website for more information on how to use the library, because I'm pretty new to it, so I don't quite know what to do with it yet. I just know how to get it started. And that's pretty much all I have to tell you for now. We'll see if there will be more tutorials in the future.
Take a chance, just get on that floor and dance. Don't be cool, don't be slick. You just keep on swinging, keep on swinging, keep on swinging and swing.